This is Irontrader, and this is midday. So we're going to take a look here at Tesla, which is basically on fire. Not literally, but the stock is ripping up here pretty nicely. Okay, this video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, about ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have Tesla daily chart. Now you can see how nice this is moving up nicely, okay? So what we have here is 214. This was the bottom, okay? So we put like a double bottom situation here, which was very, very nice. And we also had a positive divergence. See how we had this low? Okay, had a low, and then we had a little bit lower low, but we had a higher low here, positive divergence. Now, the earnings came out, and they were nothing to write home about. You got to figure they down 20% year over year on pretty much all metrics, down 70% for the quarter. However, they came out, and they're going to make this car that's going to be more affordable, I guess. And you remember, this is not just a car company, it's an AI company, you know what I mean, self-driving, SpaceX, the whole 9 yards. He's got a lot of stuff in here. Plus, he's going to lay off, I guess, on Doge a little bit, and he's going to focus back here on the Tesla and maybe get the stock rolling here again. Now, remember, this is a meme stock. This isn't something that, that just is going away. It's just kind of like it's always a very, very good trader. So an easy way to trade this is with TSLA, or if you want to short it, you can go TSLS, which I shorted it all the way and down for the simple reason is we were making these series of lower highs. We got below that 8 days, but you also got to know when to get out of this trade, okay? So when you start getting to these oversold conditions, that tells you just get out because it's going to be a matter of time before it's going to move up again. Okay, so let's look at the chart, what we have going. So this blue line right here, this is just price channels, and all that is just tops, okay, and bottom of candles, okay? It's very, very easy. You can use Bollinger Bands, clouds. This works great because that's all it is. It's just highs and lows, okay? Very, very simple. Okay, so what we're looking for here is we're looking for this 291.85, okay? So this morning here, when I gave this to you, we're looking for this 50-day, okay? So I went long, and then what it did, it just kept right on rolling, so I added to my position, okay? And now what I'm doing is watching this key 291.85, okay? Now, if we can close above it, that's the key, not just pop above it and come down, but close above it, then we're going to bring this price channel here right across, okay, right there. So you're looking at that 303.94. That's going to be your next level of resistance. Then we'll come up to the top of this candle right here. You're looking at 309. Then what we want to do is come to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 325. And then we'll come to the top of that candle. You're looking at 328.89. And then we have your big target up here is going to be your 100-day at 336.16 level, okay? So, again, you got a lot of good upside, but you have to close above this key level here, 291.85. So what I'm waiting for is see what the reaction is going to be. Is it going to go above that key price channel, okay, and then keep right on moving up here? Or is it going to, double top right here and then come flying on down? Now, if it comes on down again here, what we do is you want to watch these key levels. This is 270.60. That's your 50-day simple moving average, okay? Next in line is going to be that 254.10, your 21-day, and then we're going to watch this 8-day at 249.74. But as long as this price is above these simple moving averages, this is a good sideways to up kind of an action, okay? Now, you can see where the 8-day came on down. Now it's trying to curl up here, and if it can, we can push that price up higher and maybe break this 291.85 here. Now, look at your RSI here. We got plenty of room to run. You're only sitting at 58, looking very nice. Your green is over your red, shows you momentum there to the upside. So this is looking very, very good. Very nice candle. Now, Tesla is up there about 10% today, and that's always very, very good, okay? So right now, what you just watch is that 291.85, and we watch what the reaction is. If it blows through, then we have all our targets going up. If it can't, then we're going to have to come down and maybe retest that 50-day simple moving average. Okay, that's what I got for you. I'll be back here later today. We'll take a look here at Bitcoin, crude oil, natural gas. We're going to take a look here at all the indexes, your Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ. And then we'll take a look here at NVIDIA and at Palantir. All right, remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.